guys, Railfanning here. We're going out to Northeast because this is NS 310 right here, and it has CP 7019 trailing third out on it, and it's stopped right here because 22K ahead they had a drag and cut lever, and they're just about to get going. They've been sitting here for like 2 hours, and unfortunately this is the earliest we could get out here. And they're probably gonna go, I'd say definitely within the next half hour, because the conductor is already on his way to the head end. So we're gonna head out to board and see what we see. Hopefully we'll get him.
Yeah, let's just keep recording in case the end.
I will, yeah. Alright guys, we're coming into Northeast now. And we're near the edges of 22K. Okay, here's the Smedley Street crossing. There's still cars. Just about to the Washington Street. I still see intermodal containers. Oh, the engines are back there. Alright guys, going over the crossing here. Oh, there's the CSX coming. Like right here. And there's 22K. So wow, it's like right by the other one. The other crossing I meant. Alright guys, here's the CSX. Had a very friendly crew. They yelled out on the scanner when they went by Northeast. Alright, here's DPU and this eastbound 3350.
Must appear to be a 634.
Yeah, look at it now. Alright guys, conductor's there and they're calling dispatcher.
That's good.
Alright, we're gonna head out to board. I'll try to record as much of this as I can.
I think we have enough gas.
22K, conductor's out ahead.
Alright, conductor's on the head end. How far do you guys think you can make it over?
Then we'll shoot for Portland.
Do it at Portland.
You think you could possibly make Sheridan over?
Or do you think you can make Sheridan?
I'm not sure about that one.
Alright, I'm just finding the side in there at Portland, so I'm asking.
Well, let's see what they say.
Can start pulling. Just be advised, signal's coming down at Ripley. We're gonna probably put you in the side in there at Ripley, over.
Alright, signal's coming down at Ripley, going on the siding there. There's some crossings there, and I know one of them's a dead end, and they will make a big stink about it. I just want to let you know that.
Okay, I copy that. There's an outbound that'll be coming out to get y'all.
I don't know if we'll make it to
Alright.
Copy, Kenny.
I realize they're gonna start already. I got you 22K.
Yeah, the Outlawed is ahead of that 13, and we're gonna be shut down, so, don't read the line. Just keep it the way it is now, and you got everything out. Of course, but, you know,
guys. There's 22K. Of course, the vineyard leaves blocked it. Let's see, there we go. We're gonna try to get out ahead of it real quick. But there's an eastbound CSX coming, so hopefully that doesn't block us. It's like, I wouldn't even be surprised if I could see it already.
We'll just clear 68.
Yeah.
Crossing again,
I guess just the main one in Ripley if we can. Alright guys, well, all the gates are down at this crossing, so we're probably gonna get blocked. Here's the CSX. Alright guys, we're going back. Another one. Hi guys, here's 310. And the gates down there have activated. There's a train coming down there. I'll point it down here. 3357 and 3428 on the intermodal. And here comes 310. Alright, we're gonna try to get out ahead, but obviously this intermodal will be kind of a challenge. So alright guys, look at this. This is a pretty cool view. We're between the two trains, and it's a great vantage. I say view advantage, I mix the words together. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, we'll figure it out once we get up there. Right. Kind of weird, these containers. Yeah. Alright, we'll pick this up there somewhere, Steven. Hi guys, here's 315. It's going really slow for some reason. We'll see, because 310 is coming, but I don't know, I hope we don't get blocked. Alright guys, here's the end of 315. I'm so surprised we didn't get blocked, because as you'll see in just a second, 310 is right there. So it was a good thing we weren't there, because we would have got blocked there.
Yeah.
The gates went up, but not for long. There it goes. Alright, we're gonna go for one more shot. So let's go. Alright, I don't know if you see it, but the engine's right there. See, there it is. See there. Sorry, I didn't zoom in. See, there it was. I got it. Hi guys, here's 310 again. going into the siding. Next siding quickly. 22K. But unfortunately, we have to cut the chase here. However, though, the CSX coming, so I'm gonna cross the track real quick, safely because the gates aren't down. Here we go.
I just watched you. I was at a late.
What is this?
I have no clue.
Okay. That's weird how there's people on the bike here. Signals activated. It's weird how this crossing how the NS ones don't go down when there's a CSX. No, I'm not. Sorry. Few hours of railfanning there, all caused by 22K going into emergency in Northeast. But that'll be all for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. From here at Walker Road, just outside the town of Westfield, New York, the G-Tub Patrol fanning over now. See ya.